Is XRP really heading to $10,000? Here's what you need to know. Did you know that XRP has the potential to soar to $10,000 per coin? That's a huge 18,800% increase from its current price. If that number just made you sit up and take notice, watch this video, because I will tell you the recent gains, market strategies, and why many believe XRP could be on the brink of a massive surge. Market potential. Okay, before we start, let me clarify one thing. When we talk about XRP hitting $10,000, it's not just a pipe dream, it's a scenario that some analysts are seriously considering. To understand this potential, let's look at the numbers. Currently, XRP's market cap is in the billions, but if we compare it to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have reached market caps in the hundreds of billions, the room for growth becomes apparent. If XRP were to capture just 10% of Bitcoin's market cap at its peak, we're talking about a price point that could easily approach the $10,000 mark. And come on, with only 50 billion XRP in circulation, the math starts to get interesting when you consider the supply and demand dynamics. I think that's exactly what's stopping XRP from joining the party. The sheer volume of XRP means that reaching those astronomical prices is a bit like trying to fit an elephant into a Mini Cooper. It's not impossible, but good luck finding a way to make it happen, okay? We all know that XRP has some serious utility. Over 300 financial firms across 45+ countries have adopted XRP for cross-border payments. Why? Because it's fast, efficient, and, let's be honest, way cheaper than traditional banking methods. So if more institutions start using XRP for their transactions, we could see a huge increase in demand. Anton Karatonov, an analyst at Traders Union, believes that while XRP may not hit the $10,000 mark anytime soon, it could still see some growth. His predictions suggest XRP might trade between 0.76 and 0.86 by the end of 2024. In a more bullish scenario, some analysts speculate that if the crypto market cap hits $3 trillion, XRP could reach around 196 by 2025. Recent gains. If we talk about the recent gains XRP has experienced, well, look at this performance. Market cap. Approximately 29.56 billion circulating supply, roughly 55.24 billion XRP trading volume, 24H. Around 839 million. The trading volume is particularly interesting because it shows that there's a lot of activity happening. When traders are buying and selling in droves, it often signals a healthy market. It seems that investor sentiment is shifting. The Fear and Greed Index for XRP is currently at 34, indicating a bit of fear in the market. And you know, fear can often lead to buying opportunities, as savvy investors look to capitalize on lower prices. Moreover, the recent legal victories for Ripple Labs against the SEC have sparked renewed interest. Investors are starting to feel that the worst may be behind XRP and that optimism is contagious. Macroeconomic factors. Okay, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, specifically the macroeconomic factors that could influence XRP's trajectory. Believe it or not, what happens in the broader economy can have a big impact on cryptocurrencies, and yes, XRP is no exception. One key factor to consider is the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Recently, there have been discussions about potential rate cuts. If the Fed decides to lower interest rates, it could lead to a weaker dollar. And guess what, guys? A weaker dollar often sends investors scurrying toward alternative assets like crypto. Financial experts like Raoul Pal have pointed out that the current economic climate could be very favorable for crypto. When traditional markets are shaky, investors often look for safe havens. Cryptocurrencies, especially those with a utility like XRP, can become attractive options. Pal highlights that as the dollar weakens, we could see a surge in demand for crypto as people seek to protect their wealth. It's a classic case of when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Or in this case, when the dollar falters, turn to crypto. Another factor to consider is inflation. With rising prices for everyday goods, many investors are looking for ways to hedge against inflation. Cryptocurrencies, especially those with a finite supply, can serve as a hedge. XRP, with its capped supply of 100 billion tokens, could be seen as a more stable investment compared to fiat currencies that can be printed at will. Investment strategy. Now that we've established the potential and the favorable market conditions, I think it's time to talk about your investment strategy. Sure, at the start everything looks impressive, but one wrong move and you could end up with some serious burns, or worse, a dent in your wallet. So, first of all, you need to understand your risk tolerance. Are you the type who can sleep soundly at night knowing you've invested in something volatile, or do you prefer the safety of a savings account? If you lean toward the latter, maybe consider diversifying your portfolio with some less volatile assets. XRP is the long game. Ripple's ambition is to become the standard for cross-border payments, and, if they pull it off, XRP could see some serious appreciation in value. If you're willing to hold on to your XRP for the long haul, you might just find yourself in a good position. Be a whale, don't sell. One effective strategy for investing in volatile assets like XRP is dollar-cost averaging. You've probably heard this. Investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of the price. This approach surely helps mitigate the impact of volatility and reduce the emotional stress of trying to time the market. Let's say you decide to invest $100 in XRP every month. If the price is low for 1 month, you'll buy more XRP. If it's high, you'll buy less. Over time, this can lead to a more balanced average cost per token. Market corrections. While we're at it, let's cover market corrections. If you've been in the crypto space for even a hot minute, you know that the market can be as unpredictable as a cat on a hot tin roof. I think market corrections are a natural part of any investment landscape, especially in the crypto world. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. For instance, after XRP's recent gains, it's not uncommon for it to experience a pullback. But you know what, guys? Corrections can actually be good news. They provide opportunities to buy in at lower prices. Think of it as a sale at your favorite store. Just because the price dropped doesn't mean the product, in this case XRP, is any less valuable. One of the biggest mistakes investors make during market corrections is panic selling. When prices drop, the instinct is to hit the sell button faster than you can say FOMO. But of course, that's the worst thing you can do. Instead, think of it this way. If you believe in the long-term potential of XRP, a dip might be the perfect time to buy more. If you're in it for the long haul, staying the course during corrections can pay off. Indicators to watch. Okay, we know a bit about investment strategies and the importance of weathering market corrections. Now let's talk about the indicators you should be keeping an eye on. Number 1, Federal Reserve announcements. Any news regarding interest rate changes or monetary policy shifts can send ripples through the crypto market. If the Fed hints at lowering rates, expect a surge in crypto interest. So pay attention to it. Number 2, market sentiment. As I said earlier in today's video, the mood of the market can often be gauged through social media and crypto forums. If you see a lot of chatter about XRP, it might be worth paying attention to. So stay active on social media and crypto forums. Number 3, regulatory changes. Believe it or not, the crypto landscape is heavily influenced by regulations. Changes in regulations can create waves in the market. So keep an eye on any news regarding legal battles, especially those involving Ripple and the SEC. Yes, Ripple may have won the recent case, but you never know. Number 4, technological developments. Okay, an equally important one. Innovations within the XRP ecosystem or partnerships with financial institutions can drive demand and, of course, price rise. For example, Ripple's collaborations with major banks could bolster XRP's utility and, in turn, its price. So guys, by monitoring these indicators, you can make more better investment decisions. It's like having a road map on a road trip. It helps you navigate the twists and turns of the crypto market. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that align with your financial goals. And that's a wrap. So, what are your thoughts on XRP's potential? Do you believe it can really hit that $10,000 mark, or do you think we're dreaming? I'd love to hear your opinions and any questions you might have. And if there's any other topic you'd like me to cover, let me know that too. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on XRP was always the chosen banking coin, SEC versus Ripple case rigged. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.